It provides continuous energy. Carbohydrates like pasta contain glucose, a vital fuel for the brain and muscles. It is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing a slow release of energy. Unlike fast and short-term energy like simple sugars, pasta provides sustainable energy. Weight loss is not reducing carbohydrates, but restricting calories. Carbohydrates also help eliminate the feeling of hunger that occurs when trying to lose weight. It is low sodium and cholesterol-free. 1 cup of enriched pasta contains essential nutrients, including iron and some B group vitamins. Pasta made of 1 glass of whole wheat flour is about 100 calories and meets 25% of the daily fiber need. Keeping a serving of pasta from whole wheat flour between 1/2 and 1 cup is associated with lower body mass index and lower abdominal fat. Contains folic acid. Enriched pastas contain folic acid, an important B group vitamin, for pregnant women, which prevents birth defects in the baby. 1 serving of dry pasta contains about 100 mcg of folic acid, 25% of the daily recommended. It is part of a balanced diet. 45 to 65% of daily energy needs should come from complex carbohydrates such as pasta. A daily carbohydrate intake of up to 130 grams is recommended. 1 cup of whole wheat flour spaghetti contains 37 grams of carbohydrates. Supports digestive system health. With its insoluble fiber content, it prevents the formation of constipation and prevents the formation of intestinal problems such as diverticulum. 1 serving of whole wheat flour pasta contains at least 5 grams of fiber. It is recommended that women take 21 to 25 grams and men 30 to 38 grams fiber per day. It has a low glycemic index. It does not cause the blood sugar level to rise quickly, but also provides appetite control.